I told you don't call me Search.
It's not
Every day
me.
you call me Search.
It's not me. I call you say my ye.
He has heard the tale of a tiger, and indeed a tiger will roar.
As I said, again, no, said na ho fene crown no. And you say bia magid the money pan bia. Oh, Kasongo hey dear, me show.
Call me Kasongo hey.
Marinanga.
Marinanga.
All I know, I'm the lover boy in the school. You know that. I'm the toughest guy in the school. So if you go out with me, nothing will happen.
I'm orthotic patient. The boy.
I'm also patient the sort.
No go to class, then you standing here, you follow bitches. Hold on.
Why are you guys so nosy? Why do you always want to talk about somebody?
So. When you so say we school, because you couldn't prepare your mind to say you finish the school, but every day you follow bitches.
I just had a conversation with Sia.
We are just best friends. Best friends.
I trusted you, Sia.
What were we doing? We were kissing.
Hey, why did you fight it?
I didn't fight.
We are not proof fucking man.
Where?
Make what move for me.
Some boy I watching. Me who be that. The first time me.
You call me bitch, I'm gonna show you the middle finger, sir. I don't wanna do that, sir.
Fuck him, motherfucker. Fuck your mama and fuck your papa.
Don't call me Search. You call me
Yes. One day. No, unama. Can't check.
Teacher na kuko
What?
down.
Can't check.
It's nearly there. Me kwami ntini me ni obi anche.
Would you wouldn't na school how? Why you tea? No one now can maybe you me dia. You go over
Cancel no ka brofo me be boss so me ka chi na o ka brofo.
Asembe crying.
And then the obeka chi.
But the only time you can mention my name, Ejewa, Precious or Cunning, is when we are in class. Don't ever.
Pressure, don't go! Pressure! Go!
You know what? It is over.
What's your problem?
My babe said I shouldn't talk.
You guys were not married. You guys were just dating, okay?
Let me tell you this big secret, Gra. You are 90% part of the reasons why I came to this school.
I don't open
Yai AROMA da. AROMA say let one bring sisi.
You shouldn't let this guy be someone who just brings down your self-esteem, make you lose confidence and stuff. Nah, Precious.
I was think for you like only had them blow my mind, and she remained my boo. And I you make you go away.